Let's create this amazing aura flash effect in DaVinci Resolve. So go in the effects, drag and drop the adjustment clip wherever you want the effect to start. So in this case, I want to start the effect from here. So let's just keep the adjustment clip 10 frames long. I'm cutting the clip. Now go in Open Effects and search Light Rays. Drag and drop this effect to adjustment clip. Now in position, change the ray directions to at an angle. Change the angle, I think 42.5 is fine. So now go on the first frame of adjustment clip and in appearance, change the length to 0.400. Make a keyframe and increase the brightness little bit. I think this much is fine. Make a keyframe. Now drag the playhead to second last frame of the adjustment clip and change both the values of length and brightness to 0. This is simple aura flash effect in DaVinci Resolve. You can add this effect in any of your videos. My name is Amir and I will see you in the next one.